Advanced Revenue Management, Bulk Editing Revenue Plans. Alright, so there's two ways to edit revenue plans. You can do them individually, simultaneously, where you can have different settings for different plans, or you can change them in bulk, but then you've got to make the same change to all of them. It's very similar to the previous video I made, so I'm not going to spend too much time here. The Edit Revenue Plans page provides two options for editing multiple revenue plans. When you select the bulk plan update, which is what we're looking at now, from the plan update option download list, you can set the same values for multiple fields across multiple plans. The procedure for editing revenue plans in bulk is described in this topic. Alright, so you go to Transactions, Financial, Edit Revenue Recognition Plans. Alright, so we'll go Transactions, Financial, Edit Revenue Recognition Plans. Now, this page is going to remember the last setting we used, which was individual plans. Right, there's two options. That is, if you want to make different changes. Now I'm going to go to the bulk option. It's going to ask me to leave. I'm going to say yes. It's going to run for a second there. And there you go. Now we're on bulk. Okay. Similar options here to filter down, some date options there. So you'll see now we don't have different fields available. So I'm just going to pick the first 5. And here are your fields, right? So let's say I want to go and set whole revenue recognition. Set fields. And then I'm going to go to my set fields here. All of these now are yes for whole revenue recognition. You can see that there. Alright, so I want to set them all to no. And then I'm going to submit. Alright, and then I'll go back here and let's just go. That's essentially how you do it. Alright, use the filters to the top, which I used. Okay, I use that one there. Check the select box. That's what I did on the left hand side. Click the set field sub-tab, which I did. I then click that one. Right, this is what I did. I submitted. And you'll see now if I go back to the Edit Revenue Recognition Plans and I said yes, now I get nothing because those have now been updated. So that's how you update them in bulk.